Dutton lanes and couplers are initially assembled in our manufacturing facility to snugly fit on most 2-inch balls, but they are designed to be easily adjusted by hand without the need for tools if necessary. If you cannot lower the coupler over your ball, or if you can get the coupler over the ball but then cannot lower the locking lever into place, your coupler is too tight and needs to be loosened. To do this, move the locking lever to the unlocked position, push up the nut locking channel and ball clamp with your fingers, then spin the lock nut several turns counterclockwise towards the ground. Let go of the channel lock and ball clamp, making sure that the flats on the nut fit inside the nut locking channel and that the channel is perpendicular to the sides of the coupler. Then try to close the coupler over the ball again. Repeat as necessary until it feels nice and tight as the lever goes down. To test if you've adjusted the coupler tight enough, grab onto the coupler and shake it a bit. This should move the coupler, ball, hitch, and trailer tongue in unison like you see here, meaning the coupler is properly adjusted. And the coupler should not rattle on the ball or move independently from it like you see here, meaning that it is too loose. If it is too loose, open up the coupler, push up the nut locking channel and ball clamp again, then rotate the lock nut several turns clockwise away from the ground. Again, make sure the nut fits properly in the locking channel and the locking channel is aligned properly with the sides of the coupler. Close the coupler over the ball and repeat as necessary until it feels nice and tight as the lever goes down. Perform the shake test to make sure the coupler is snugly and correctly adjusted.
Hi, this is Ryan with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission, and today we're going to go over safety chains. Safety chains are an important component between any truck and trailer combination, and in most states they're required by law. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at your chains, make sure your links are intact, make sure nothing looks like it's loose or damaged, and then also you want to double check your S-hook. Depending on your trailer combination, it may not be an S-hook, but that's very common in a lot of applications. Then you also want to take a look at where the safety chain connects to the trailer tongue. All right, so that's an important connection. Sometimes it's connected by a bolt, sometimes it's connected via a weld to the trailer tongue, but you want to still inspect that weld for any cracks or any damage. Once you inspect the chains and everything's in good working order, attach the chains to the hitch. All right, and we're going to do this in a X fashion, so we're going to cross the chains. You don't want to cross over the top of the trailer tongue, because otherwise it can get jammed between the ball and the coupler. You want to cross underneath the trailer hitch. So we're going to take the chain from the passenger side of the trailer and connect it to the driver's side and vice versa. And whenever you attach it, you want to make sure that S-hook is pointed back towards the trailer. The reason we do that is if the ball did come off the coupler, it would be less likely to actually fall off of the hitch. The reason that we cross the pattern is to make sure that that trailer tongue does come off. The chains will catch that trailer tongue so it doesn't hit off the ground. If your chains are too long, we typically looking for 3 to 5 inches. If they're too long, all you have to do is twist the chains up a few times, bring up your slack, and bring them up off the ground, and then you'll be in business. This has been Ryan.